Hi Fee, it's Logan here. I just wanted to try and cheer you up a little bit about it not being summer anymore over there, because we still haven't hit spring quite yet. Let me zoom into this lamppost. We're hitting one of the worst blizzards of the year and they still haven't canceled school. Oh yeah, and next week, supposedly, spring break. But I don't know if you can see the snow drifting up behind these cars. There's no way they're gonna get out tomorrow. It's pretty ridiculous. Anyway, hope it's warm there.